Let's do the linen stitch. For this tutorial, I'm using a medium 4 worsted weight yarn and a 6.0 millimeter hook. We'll start with a slip knot. Put the slip knot on your hook. And for the linen stitch, you'll want an even number of chains. I'll be chaining 20. Working directly into the chain, starting in the second chain from the hook, you'll put in 1 single crochet and chain 1. Skip a chain into the following chain, single crochet, chain 1. And that's your alternating stitch for the linen stitch. Skip a chain in the following chain, single crochet, chain 1, and do this to the end of your row. At the end of your row, you'll skip a chain, and in your last chain, you'll do a single crochet. And then chain 1, your chain 1 also acts as your turning chain. Don't make that chain 1 too tight, and turn your work. In row 2 and every other row following will be done the same. We'll be working in the chain 1 space. Skip over the single crochet, and in the chain 1 space, do a single crochet, chain 1. Skip over the single crochet, and in the chain 1 space, do a single crochet and a chain 1. And continue across the row until you're at the end of the row. At the end of the row, you'll skip the single crochet, and in your turning chain or your chain space is where you'll put your final single crochet. If you make this turning chain too tight, it's going to be frustrating. So always remember to make your turning chain a nice big fat chain. Turn your work. Skip the single crochet into the chain space. Put in a single crochet, chain 1, and this is the linen stitch. Just remember, at the end of your row, in your turning chain, that's also your chain space. Put a single crochet and a chain 1 in that final space and turn your work. And continue making your linen stitch, making your fabric as big as you need for your project or as big as you need to practice. I love how the linen stitch builds alternating rows on top of itself, making kind of like a zigzag pattern. It's a nice, dense fabric. What would you make with a linen stitch? Happy crocheting!